2019 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, tachometer, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.